Hi, I'm John Toberman, grease chemist here at JAX, and today we're going to be showcasing our Grease Research and Development Lab. Our grease lab has various roles ranging from performing quality control on greases, conducting performance grease testing, and innovating new greases for our lubricant world. Starting off, we have some of our more common grease pieces of equipment you may see in our industry. Our grease workers, along with our penetrometers that are used to test the consistency along with the mechanical stability. Here we have our automatic dropping point units. These are used to test the dropping point of a grease, gives you a nice indication on the thickener's thermal stability. Here we have our pneumatic 4-ball unit. This testing rig is used to test the anti-wear and load carrying capabilities of our grease. Water resistance testing is done with our water washout unit and our water spray off unit, testing a grease for its resistance to moisture in application, along with the metal surface adhesion. Other grease tests in our lab that we utilize include oil separation of a grease, low temperature torque, roll stability, and various corrosion tests. We use our FTIR and XRF machine for our QC process, as well as conducting elemental analysis on our greases. And of course, making up to 5 pounds of development samples in our lab. So whether it be ensuring product performance or testing a new grease, JAX Grease R&D has the resources to fulfill your grease needs.